This is what you'll be learning how to do as well. How to eat a carrot. Hello and welcome back to Learning to Eat Food with Random Idiot. Today we will be looking at how to eat a carrot. What is the carrot? Why is it a thing? What is the point of your tutorial videos? That is just some of the questions that you may have on your mind, and I'll be attempting to answer some of those right now. So the carrot, what can I tell you about it? Well, I don't really know much about the carrot, to be honest. The less you know the better, I guess. What I do know about the carrot is that apparently it is a food that you can eat using the mouth. Thankfully, I have a carrot right here, so that will help me describe it to you a little more easily. As you can see, it is one solid piece. It comes in this lovely orange matte finish, which is an underused colour in my opinion. However, being such an unusual colour, I just hope it's not radioactive. The final thing to note is that it's shaped like a log. If it's anything like a chocolate Yule log, then it's definitely a keeper. Now, I've done around 2 minutes of research, which is about the most that I can handle, and apparently you need to kind of wash it and cut it up a bit to make it more bearable. So I'm just going to do that now, and I'll get back to you very shortly. Please hold on in the meantime, if you can. Okay, so I've just spent around an hour and a half working on this, and I think it's now ready to consume. I hope all that effort was worth it, but we're going to find out now. So this is what you need to do to eat it. Here goes. Oh, really hard. Oh, my tooth. It hurts my tooth. It doesn't even taste sweet. What a waste of my life. I've just hurt my tooth trying to eat this thing, and I don't even know if it's edible either. What a letdown. I'll try it again. Maybe you're not supposed to eat it from this side. Maybe that was the bad side. Let's try from this side now. That's even worse. Oh, so painful. How is this even food? It doesn't even taste like anything. Well, I'm ready to make my conclusion about this thing. What we can conclude from this is that it's not really meant for consumption. If you do insist on eating it anyway, then just make sure that you have a dentist on standby. I'm going to go now and bury this carrot deep underground where it will no longer be able to harm anyone. So I'll catch you all later. Goodbye. Oh, I should have worn gloves while handling this thing. Bit of a disaster, this video. I'll have to get this out of my sight.